मैं 1 सेकंड में आया हूँ।
Okay.
Yes, sir, we are live.
Hi guys, how are you all? So I don't know, I don't have any mobile right now today along with me to check that what all you guys are maybe messaging. But yeah, hi everyone. So how are you all? And what is that you are doing right now? So I hope that many of you have remembered our like previous lectures and all, and we will be now going ahead with our new program updates, which are going to revolve around file handling functions and then a large scale database in real time. Okay, so these are the few things which we will be working along with, I mean, today and tomorrow. And today essentially we will be talking regarding how to, work along with functions and inside Python. So that's what I mean, it's going to be there in inside our kind of like what we say to-do list today. Okay, so today is our number one thing what we need to do, that is going to revolve around how we are going to work around with functions. So hi Shoaib, so what do you see, I mean how many students are there, what is that status, 40 लोग भी है कि नहीं है, क्या है?
43, sir.
43. Hey guys, I don't know, only 43 or it will increase from there. I was kind of not okay. And hey, we have got even Professor Umang also inside here. So hi Umang, ma'am, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I was like not okay, guys. I had a severe kind of cold and cough, so I was like literally not okay. So now I'm all there back, and I'm here to teach you again your Python. Okay. So now I think we will be now starting with. I mean, क्या start करना है? I mean, आज करना क्या है? आज का plan क्या है? Umang, what's the plan today?
सर encryption project बनाना था and YouTube downloader.
Okay, YouTube downloader banana or encryption ka project banana, right? I mean, these are the two top-notch things which we are supposed to do today. So, okay, so now let's go ahead and start opening our Google Colab. So let me just open Google Colab. So let me share my screen. शायद यार 1 मिनट रुक जाए यार शेयर करने से पहले, ठीक है? So yes, now Google
क्या बोल रहे
share. Okay, so now this is Google Colab, the number one thing what is there, which we will be using, which we were using from our all the days. So today is we will just open a new notebook. Okay, so you guys remember what is for loop, what is while loop, and what is if else? You guys remember these all things, right? I mean, please tell me in the chat, and Shoaib will be giving me this input. Hey Shoaib, please tell me what's happening there. Okay, how many students are there, Shoaib, right now?
58, sir.
Huh?
58.
58. Okay, guys, we need more people. Do something. मुझे और चाहिए. मुझे 100 plus तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. Okay, so day 6. Let us just put it day 6 because I'm in the YouTube banner and everywhere you are seeing day 6. So let us just keep it day 6. Okay. So inside this day 6, we will first of all, our agenda is to learn about functions, and the second is to like learn about what we say that the second one is all about like import with the help of a project. Okay, so these two things we need to conquer today. So first and foremost thing, what is that? Just give me 1 minute, guys. I need to close. Okay, So first and foremost thing which I need to take care about, this is all about like what we say, learn about functions. So what is that? Do you mean by a function? So I mean you have 60 seconds time, so you can give me the answers. I'm looking. Sure, will be letting me know who all are giving the correct answers or something like that. So just please tell me ASAP fast, what do you mean by functions and where we use functions in real time. Then I will be teaching you how to actually use functions inside Python, and how to what we say that how to what we say work with functions inside these things, that is what we say your YouTube downloader and different things. Okay, what are the built-in functions and what are the functions which we can create ourselves? Okay, so just
We
please
have
tell
an
it.
answer, sir.
Okay, so how many answers are there?
We have as of now one, Nani, I don't know the real name, an instruction which performs a specific task.
Okay, and in an instruction which performs a specific task. Sure, just keep on giving me a small kind of reminder how many students are there after every 2 3 or every 5 minutes or
Sir,
something like that. Okay, abhi kitne hain?
83, 85.
85. Wow, we are very soon going to touch the mark of like 100. I'm very sorry, guys. I was like not keeping well. Even today, I'm like not. I will not be able to shout as much I used to do because of this cough and what we say, cold. But yeah, so now we are all good. Okay, so we can start with the help of functions, and then I will take that YouTube downloader in the end. Okay, so today we will not be building the encryption thing, so we will build the encryption logic tomorrow. So we will do that thing project along with our hospital record management system, what we need to complete. Okay, so let us just update our agenda a little bit. Okay, so our agenda is very clear right now, along with what we say that, yeah. So here where we need to be. Okay, so encryption, instead of encryption, it is going to be this encryption will go here. Why encryption is going here? It is only because of one reason, that is it takes little bit of import features and all, which you guys don't know right now. So one of the project which we guys need to build today is regarding functions. So you can actually suggest in the chat right now what is the project you want to build right now which has functions in it. Okay, so one of that project which has functions in it can be, what it can be. Any ideas, Umang? I mean, Umang, कोई idea है तुम्हारे पास functions के related कौन सा project बनाया जा सकता है?
Sir, functions से related, sir, we created one with Firebase.
Okay, so just मुझे आने दो अभी, ठीक है? वो वाला तो अभी बाद में बनाने वाला है, ठीक है? That one we are going to make it after some time. Okay, so अभी sure, I'm just like doing a small experiment here. Okay, Chrome tabs, application windows, your entire screen. Yeah, this thing is so wrong. ये StreamYard वाले का sharing अच्छा नहीं है, Google का अच्छा है, ठीक है? So leave that thing. Okay, so now it is like about like, okay, what are the project suggestions in the chat? Any suggestions in the chat for functions?
Restaurant menu,
Investment management system.
calculator,
Calculator boring है, इतना कुछ खास नहीं है. I mean, like, it's not that a big thing or something. So next
drive menu,
what menu?
drive menu,
Drive
SST.
menu.
Yeah, someone named SST, but I don't know the real name.
अच्छा, SSTs या state transportation, I think. I mean, buses के लिए कुछ बना हुआ है ऐसा. Okay, vaccine. I mean, regarding, हाँ, yes, okay, next idea.
IED watch.
IED
LED.
watch क्या होता है? अच्छा,
LED.
LED watch. अच्छा, LED watch का wow, this is a cool idea. So we need to get a like a timer display or something like that. Okay, apart
Placement
from that,
management system.
Whoa, placement management system, वो
That is,
functions का नहीं हुआ.
that is pura Python.
That is like a hospital. Instead of doing hospital record management system, we can do this thing. But
Bus
okay,
booking.
बस बुकिंग। अरे बच्चे लोग ने क्या मतलब देख जा रहे हैं एकदम ऐसा कि अरे फंक्शंस के अंदर कुछ भी नहीं आता, ये सब उसके ऊपर वाला आता है। फंक्शंस का कुछ बताओ यार, आई विल जस्ट टेल समथिंग व्हिच इज रिलेटेड टू।
Driver menu from where we select to perform the task. Open
Okay,
CV.
open CV project you want? Okay, we can do that. I mean, essentially, this is not the platform where we do open CV. We will do it in what we say our data science and AI/ML class, where we can actually meet for this. So 100% we can do that there. Okay, next.
ATM based model.
Well, this is one good idea. This is a good idea. I mean, like we can make a function which can act like a ATM, and what it will do is it will remember our what we say the balance amount, and apart from the balance amount, it will also show us what we say how much transactions we have made or something like that. Okay, this whole thing can be done with the help of functions. Yes, I can envision it how it will work. Okay, so I can think about it. So what do you guys think about like making an ATM application in next what we say that. Okay, so how much time is remaining in next? Right now it's 8:37. So in next maybe like what we say 20 minutes, we will make this whole project using functions. Are you guys ready about this whole thing? Just please tell me in the chat right now. And sure, how many audience are there?
Crossed 100, sir. It's 114.
114, अच्छा ओके, एटलीस्ट 114 आर देयर। थैंक यू भाइयों मेरी इज्जत रखने के लिए। ठीक है, सो ओके नाउ लेट्स गो अहेड एंड स्टार्ट विथ अ स्मॉल व्हाट वी से collab thing. So just give me 1 minute, I want to merge these two screens because I want to see you guys also. Okay, दिख रहा है तुम लोगों को?
हाँ सर दिख रहा है, थोड़ा छोटा करो, थोड़ा छोटा करो, जूम आउट, बहुत ज्यादा जूम।
Okay, fine. So
पीस ऑफ को, हाँ यस बस, यस सर।
Nah. So now, hey guys, so now let's start our whole this thing, and let's, I mean, what we say first start with our this part, that is functions. So let's build an ATM function in Python. Okay, so in the chat, please tell me, keep on like what all modules will be there. So first step number one is going to be make a function which can take make functions. Yeah, make function. Okay, what all things are possible inside ATM? Okay, so you can deposit money. Okay, so you can actually what we say that you can withdraw money. Okay, and you can print the statement. Okay, and you can do what else? और क्या कर सकते हैं उमंग? What else we
Print
can do there?
statement. Balance. Get statement.
नो बैलेंस है, प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट को नो बैलेंस कर देते हैं, नो योर बैलेंस। गाइस, आई मीन यू कैन आल्सो सजेस्ट अस इन द chat right now what else we can do in this. So please tell me in the chat, so what else we can do? और क्या कर सकते हैं? ठीक है, so okay, so yeah, so tell me in the chat right now what else we can do. और कुछ आ रहा है chat में?
Application for loan. Bank से.
Application for loan.
Yeah, that can.
मनी ट्रांसफर।
Okay, let's just stick to this three first. Okay, ये तीन के ऊपर नहीं stick रहते हैं, and let us start building this thing. So what all variables will be there? So variables will be like what we say current amount. Okay, so name of the person, जिसके account का नहीं क्या मतलब okay, current amount will be that one variable, and apart from that what else will be there? So what else will be there which will go ahead and do something like that? ओके एक तो करंट अमाउंट एक है, उसके अलावा और क्या वेरिएबल्स होंगे? बस ये करंट अमाउंट रहेगा और लाइक या तो विड्रॉल अमाउंट, and one more thing, it will be their deposit amount. Okay, deposit amount. And what else will be there, guys? What else like current, I mean how much balance is there in my account, and then afterwards how much money I want to withdraw if at all I want to withdraw, and how much money I want to deposit if at all I want to deposit. So these are the only three variables which are going to be used. Okay, so as of right now, let us declare the global variables. Current amount is equal to let us mention down 15,000 rupees. Okay, so this is the current amount which is there inside our, this is a global variable. So let us consider this as our current balance. Is it clear? यहाँ तक clear है सब लोगों को? Yes or no, Shoaib and Umang? So is it clear? Yes or no? Is it clear? Shoaib, you're not audible, please. Is it clear?
We haven't got the response yet. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear now.
Yes, pakka, yes, ठीक है, done. So now just fill this whole thing with the what we say that, hey यार, आज भी अपने को कुछ तो experiment करना चाहिए. You know what? We should do some experiment like our LU coins for all the people who will be like what we say, responding properly in the chat or something like that, and we continuously keep on picking people based upon their randomly. We will start picking people randomly, and we give them LetsUpgrade coins, okay, for interacting the most. Okay, so now just keep on interacting. So whomever we see that yes, they are interacting the most, we will pick them from the chat and we'll give them LetsUpgrade coins. Okay, so just don't let this opportunity go from your. Okay, so just keep on putting something in the chat. Okay, is it a deal? Okay, good, amazing. Please tell me in the chat right now. Okay, so this is the current amount of our account right now. And in this current amount, we need to write down a function inside Python for adding more amount. Okay, so deposit for the deposit of the balance. Okay, fine. So now how it will be? It will be DEF. Okay, it will be DEF. DEF is equal to what we say. DEF is used for defining a function. DEF deposit amount. How many of you know how to build a function already in Python, and how many of you are learning for the first time? If at all it's your first time, write down first time. If at all you already know this thing, then mention it, I already know, in the chat. Okay, and sure, just give me the analytics kind of thing after some time, and Umang, just you give me the analytics. Okay, so the deposit amount is equal to what we say that deposit amount will take current amount, okay, and deposit amount. So these are the variables. Okay, so these variables are known as parameters. Okay, so in any function anywhere in the world, this is the syntax. Okay, so you have a define keyword which is used for defining a function. You have a function name which is for calling that function, we use this function name. हम ये function को call करने के लिए function name use करेंगे, and these are the variables. Okay, so inside parenthesis we have variables. These variables are used for like passing your current amount and the deposit amount, how much you want. Okay, so now what will happen? Print, we are in deposit amount place, deposit amount function, a small text function. Now you just need to do what, you know, new balance is equal to CRT amount, whatever you get in the parameter, CRT amount plus deposit, DEP, deposit
So most of them are first time learners.
Okay, most of you guys are first time learners, right? So now what we will do is return, okay, return new balance. Okay, so now what is happening here? So what is happening here? Okay, so I will tell you what is happening here. Okay, so now this is a small function. This is the chota function, very small function, which we can write right now. Okay, in this function, what is happening, for if whenever you go to a ATM and you try depositing amount, there is a function just like this working behind it. Okay, you can just think of this like, I mean, this is this current amount it takes a deposit, whatever you are amount you're depositing inside the ATM, it will count it, it will send it here. Once you actually this function is being called, it will do some logic inside it, and it will return the new balance. What is the new balance? Okay, so now let us just use this function. So I will again explain you one more time this function after the execution. Okay, so the execution will look something like this. So deposit amount. So okay, new, instead of new balance, I will just take current. Oh, I have done some mistake. Okay, so what I will do is current amount, because I mean the amount will be updated, right? The amount will be updated in your account as soon as you add it. So deposit amount is the function. Inside deposit amount function, we just pass the current amount and deposit how much money you want to deposit. You want to deposit 5,000 rupees or like 500 rupees. Okay, so you tell me in the chat. So just we deposit this. Okay, so we will try print current amount, and also say that current balance before the deposit. Okay, and same thing we will just have here. How much money people want to deposit, Rushabh?
5,000, 500,
Okay, so
5,000.
5,000, right? So 5,000, will let us deposit 5,000. So now as soon as I run this thing, okay, so as soon as I run this thing, oh, this is giving me an error. So the error is this capital P should not be this, it should be small p. Now if we run, we will get this. Okay, so what it is happening, so see, you're getting it, what happened here. So as soon as you run this thing, so it is a current, before printing, before actually depositing the money, it got printed. My current balance is 15,000. As soon as we enter into the what we say deposit function, okay, as soon as we enter into the deposit function with the help of this statement here, okay, this line is being printed. We are in deposit amount function. From here, this line is getting printed. So as soon as this thing is done, that means it will even progress here, even it will progress here. So what happens, we are in deposit function amount, and the current balance after the deposit is 20,000. See, the variable is same. Variable is same. So what we are doing, we are passing the variable and we are passing 5,000. These both are being added. 15,000 plus 5,000 is equal to 20,000. 20,000 will be here, and 20,000 is getting returned. Return means it is sending back. The function is sending back. So function is sending back the value. That's why the new current amount is equal to 20,000. Is it clear to you, or yes or no? Or you want me to like segregate it into like steps by steps or something? शोएब क्या हुआ, समझा या फिर सब उड़ गया गायब?
नहीं सर, समझ रहा है. Let's see what they say.
Okay, so I mean, Umang, I mean, was it kind of bouncer? Or I mean, how many of you have understood, guys, what I've done here? So step number one.
Sir,
Step
Sir, they
number
have
one.
understood.
Okay, so
very
step number
clear.
one. I have
Crystal
just written
clear.
down. Okay, I have just written down a function, and a function is being returned. So it's return, WRITTNE, return. Okay, it's not returned or are not this return. It is ऐसे लिखते हैं function, ठीक है, Python में. Okay, so अभी ऐसे लिखते हैं in the means like, I mean, you can write a function like this. This is the syntax, and you can take the parameter, you can do whatever things inside it. Okay, then afterwards you can call a function with the help of this thing, and you need to specify the what we say, this all. Okay, so now if at all you want to what we say, do it one more time, and this time you want to deposit 50 rupees. So what will happen is like, the before deposit it was 20,000. We are again in deposit amount function because we have called it here, and after what we say, after the deposit of 50 rupees, we are having 20,050 in our account. Is it clear? So we don't have to write the same code again and again. We can use this code as many times as we want. Okay, we can use this code as many times as we want. That's why this is known as a function. So Umang, how many students are there, and what we say, what is their response to this thing? I mean, are you guys clear
Right
about it?
now,
Yes.
right now 93 students are there, and yeah, most of them got what
Okay,
functions
you,
are.
you got this point, right? Okay, fine. So now this is what the whole deposit amount function does. So now the same way, let us write down. You guys can write it in the suggestion box how we will implement the withdraw feature. So we need to write the withdraw function right now. So just please let us know in the comment box. So I'm also writing it in the meanwhile. You can start writing it right now and send us in the comment box. Shoaib and Umang are there. So whosoever answer is will be perfect or near about perfect, they will get Let's Upgrade coins right now. Okay, so we will give you 100 Let's Upgrade coins if you give the right answer. 100 Let's Upgrade coins are like literally worthy, very much worth. So just start writing. Okay, so Shoaib and Umang, whoever gives the first answer and the right answer, that person is the winner. Okay, so now just have a look at it. Okay, so now let us write down. Okay, and in this thing, so what we will take, we will take one parameter, that is current amount. We will take the parameter how much withdraw, how much we want to withdraw, and from the withdraw, what we will take is what we
Have
will
an
be
answer,
doing.
bro.
Okay, just have it with you, Shoaib. Then afterwards we will
Oh,
do it. Okay, so if withdraw amount is greater than CRT amount, okay, print what? Print balance is low. This is the catch here, and just return current amount. Okay, now else. Okay, else just you need to do what, CRT, okay, is equal to new balance is equal to CRT amount minus withdraw amount. Okay, then afterwards return new balance. That's it. So this is the function as per me. So let us now just run it once. Okay, so let us use the same format to run it. Okay, so now here it is instead of deposit, it will be withdraw. Okay, so current amount, and we want to withdraw, let us take 5,000 rupees we want to withdraw. So what will be the answer? Let us see. Okay, So yeah, so now we have actually withdrawn 5,000 rupees, and the current balance is 15,050. So now let us do one more time this thing, and this time let us try what we say withdrawing 50,000 from our account. Okay, as soon as we try withdrawing 50,000, it will say current balance is this much, balance is low, and again the current balance remains the same. Okay, that's what it is. So now I'm in Shoaib and Umang. Okay, guys, I mean, first of all, you tell me, are you guys having any kind of question how we have done this particular function? So what do you think about it? Should we change something inside it? Yes or no? And in the meantime, Shoaib and Umang, tell me who all people have answered it correctly.
Uh, well, let's give the exact explanation with the taking the current amount, and others
Huh.
give the logic about new amount will be current amount minus withdrawal amount.
Okay, that is okay, but
That's the part.
someone
But
actually,
Lakshmi gave the whole explanation.
okay, so someone gave this thing this part.
Yes, yes. Not the code, but the explanation as to how we should implement.
Acha, who is that person?
Sure, Lakshmi.
Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hi Lakshmi. So please send us a mail at what we say this part. Saya at LetsUpgrade.in from your registered community account, and we will ship you 100 LetsUpgrade coins by end of this session. Okay, so this is the part from our side. Okay, so that's what. And apart from that, what else? Any questions in this whole code, Shoaib and Umang?
So they wanted to see that how we can take user input and implement that. We are giving the
100%. We can take it. We can take
yeah.
it. So what we can do is, so it's even more easy. Okay, guys, it's even more easy than this. Okay, so what we will do is, okay, so we will make it like this. Okay, so instead of 5,000 here, we will just write down int input input, enter the amount, or even rather than this, what we can do is we can just take this part and okay, rather than this 5,000, we will just remove this 5,000, and we will just, instead of this withdrawal amount being here, we'll just change a code little bit. That is, withdraw amount is equal to int input, enter this, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Okay, so that's it. So this will work. Okay, so now if at all you just go and you just have to this time send the current amount, that's it. So if you send the current amount, it will ask you enter the amount you want to withdraw, and you just say I want to withdraw 600. So it say okay, done. So this is the thing. Now this time let us do a bigger amount. Let us do 45,000, and this will say low balance, current balance after the deposit. Oh, we should change this. Uh, okay, so okay, that's it guys. I mean, I hope that you have got the answer how to do this part. Okay, so just to make a good formatting, that's it. So this is the whole function what you need to do for doing this part. Lakshmi, please send me your email ID. By the way, last time all the people who gave us the email or something like that, we have provided them coins, and all the other students apart from them will be receiving coins who have kept their attendance by Shoheb, and that will be done. Sure, you have the things, right? Just do it now by today night or something like that. Okay, so now yeah, so that's it guys, and I hope that you guys are very clear about this thing. Are they clear, Umang?
Yes, sir. I've started. I've got response from one or two right now.
Yeah, so can we go ahead guys? Can we go ahead?
Sir, Harpreet Singh is asking if they want to select an option between withdraw or deposit.
Which one? Which one? If they want to select the option, okay. So we can even more furthermore go and do a driver code, something like that. So we can just make df driver code, and in this no parameters, nothing. Okay. So we just print first. Print a let's upgrade enter one or two. Enter your choice. Okay, and then afterwards just put it in the option kind of thing. Print one for deposit, two for what it is, two for withdraw. Okay, and then you just take choice. Choice is equal to int because it's an integer. We need to typecast input. Enter your choice. In this, it will be like one or two. Okay, if choice is equal to one, okay, choice equal to one, just call what it is. It is deposit, right? Okay, we have to define, okay, the current amount. Let us take the current amount just like that. Okay, so what we'll do is deposit amount. Inside deposit amount, we just CRT na current amount, and we will what we say that we will just take it. Okay, so let's even automate the deposit code also, and have, other than this DEP, let us take DEP is equal to INPUT input, enter the amount you want to deposit. Clear? Something like this. So both the functions are aligned. So I just need to pass the current amount. LF choice equal to 2. Then what? Withdraw, and inside this current amount. Okay. Else print enter right choice, something like that. And you just need to specify kind of like what we say. Let us just make our life even more easier. So let us take a parameter known as like current amount. Okay, now you guys will be like, sir, what is this happening? Same name and all. So let me just specify it a little bit. CRT amount. Okay, so let me just run this thing. So driv driver okay, it should be driver code rather than a drive code, and we just need to specify the current amount. We just need to specify the base amount, so we can specify 50,000. So 50,000 is there in my account, so I need to do either deposit, so I'll do select one. So what we say that, so enter the amount you want to deposit. I want to deposit 6,000. So we are in deposit function, but okay, we have not done. So here in you guys will be confused, leave. So let me just do one small thing. Inside the deposit function, we'll just put amount deposited. Hey Shoaib, any questions? Umang, any questions? Amount deposited, inside amount deposited, new balance.
They only want to get to know about driver code more.
Okay, they want to know about driver code more, right? So okay, fine, no worries. Just give me 1 minute. I'll tell you what is the driver code. current balance after withdraw. So I mean, how many of you are understanding, guys? What am I doing? How many of you are understanding? Please tell me in the chat, and I will be kind of like happy if at all you tell me that, sir, yes, I'm understanding. At least one or two people are telling this thing. It would be amazing. Okay, so instead of having this thing, so even in the driver code, what I want to do is CRT amount is equal to this. Now this is a complex project, guys. Okay, now this is now turning into a complex project. Now you guys will be like, "Sir, ho kya raha hai ye?" So this is nothing just but your college project, what you can submit anywhere. Okay, so something on that lines. Okay, so now I can just specify the current amount, and inside the current amount you can specify 60,000, and inside the driver code, current amount, first current amount define, we will do the definition of current amount, and we'll just put it here, control C. Shoaib, how many are answering that? I mean, people know what am I doing. Okay, now the answer is, guys, here. So first and foremost thing, so what I'm doing is I'll do deposit. So as soon as I do deposit, and I want to deposit, it's already 60,000, so let us just deposit 5,000 more. Okay, so as soon as I have done it, so my amount is 65,000. Even if I call this current amount, it should be 65,000. It is 65,000. See, now again, if I'm calling the driver code, I'm calling the driver code. Okay, so what will happen now? Let us take a withdraw. So in this withdraw, how much money you want to withdraw? So let us do 30,000. I want to withdraw. So your amount is right now 35K. Even inside our current amount, it should be reflected. Okay, so this whole thing is happening with the help of functions. Okay, so what is, I mean, this level of autonomous you can do, you can take it to even more another level. Just think about it like a kind of Lego thing. So let me just remove this all code and put it much aligned with you all. Okay, so I'm just taking everything in one place so that you all guys can understand what's happening. So, okay, Ashif, how many of them are telling that they understood what am I doing, and how many of them are like, sir, kuch samajh nahi raha?
Yes, sir, they have understood that they just need a brief explanation of every function.
Okay, so they all you need is like brief explanation. How many students are there,
Yes.
Shoaib?
We have 99 now.
Okay, we have 99 students. Hey, 99 people. So what we are doing right now is we are learning about functions. So functions are very amazing thing in my life. I love functions because it gives you the power of modular programming. Okay, so in Python you can do this modular programming. I just want to ask every one of you right now one question. The question is, how many of you have experienced Lego bricks? Lego, small Lego brick. Okay, with the help of Lego bricks, you can build whatever you want. Whatever you want to build, you can build with the help of Lego bricks. Yes or no? Please tell me in the chat right now. You all can build Lego bricks, right? Umang, have you played with Lego bricks? Shoaib, have you played with Lego bricks?
Yes,
Lego,
Yes, sir, I
I
have
have.
a lot.
forgot about the Lego brand. I mean, यार वो brick आते थे ना, कौन से वाले
Yes,
brick
sir,
अपने
a lot.
छोटे छोटे, जिसके अंदर मतलब अपन लोग कुछ भी बना, घर बनाओ. I mean, you can make a toy out of it. You can make even something nonsense you can make out of it. Okay, or else at least the base minimum you can make a building out of it. Okay, so every one of you played with it. What's this answer, Shep?
Yes, sir. People saying yes, no, yes, no. Mixed reviews, sir.
अरे यार नहीं, आई मीन लेगो ब्रेक यार, व्हाट आई मीन, कहाँ भैया, कहाँ जा रहे हो सब लोग? ओके वेट, आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज लेगो ब्रेक. ओके, सो लेट मी ओपन लेगो ब्रेक. So let me download Lego brick and let me import it. I think I can just copy image And inside my, why I'm doing this thing is I'm also trying something right now. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so I am trying some nonsense thing. ये मेरा स्क्रीन अटक गया है क्या? हाँ, ये अटक गया है. अरे अटका ये. I mean, this is stuck, guys. I don't know. I mean, you guys are stuck. Talk something. I'm not able to do anything. Oh, she see this thing. Wait. Okay, refresh.
The cursor, that's it.
Okay, so just give me 1 minute. अरे how many of you guys know about Lego bricks? यार Lego bricks नहीं पता क्या?
Yes, sir. Yes, block building. Yes, Anka.
पता है. Okay, everyone is saying yes, right? Hey guys, today I don't have a mobile phone along with me today. I don't know why the hell I don't have a mobile phone, but I don't have a mobile phone right now along with me. The reason is these people are trying to control my life. Okay, no WhatsApp. Shit. ये क्या हो गया? Oh swap. Just give me 1 minute, guys. My screen share stopped. Okay, so यार स्क्रीन शेयर बंद हो गया यार. अभी तो मैं कहाँ जाऊँ? Share my screen. Share application window. Share. You can see my whole application window. Share. Can you see Lego bricks?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The whole
Okay,
Google Chrome.
guys, this is what Lego brick is. Now please tell me, yaar, every one of you had played with this thing, right? सब ने खेला होगा ना इसके साथ तो. Everyone. Okay, so this functions are giving you the same what we say feature inside any programming language. Okay, so these functions are nothing rocket science. These functions are the same. These functions give you the same kind of feature. The feature is that you can build your own Lego blocks. Okay, and whenever you want to use any kind of blue color block, you can get it as many times you want. Okay, if you want more and more green, you can get more and more green blocks. You want more and more orange, you can get more and more orange blocks. Okay, the same way, you want to deposit more, you can deposit more. Whenever you want to call, you can call. You want to withdraw more, you can withdraw more. So how this whole thing works? This whole thing works with the help of a function. Okay, so inside the function, what you have is you have a deposit amount. How we declared it? So let us just again one more time revisit it. Okay, so for defining a function, you use a keyword known as def, and you give a name to your function. And after giving name to your function, you actually specify a parameter. You can specify as many parameters as you want. We are specifying only one parameter, that is current amount. Okay, CRT amount. And inside that, what we are doing is, with the help of this line, we are able to what we say that get how much money you want to deposit. Okay, instead of manually giving it in the program, we are asking the customer how much money they want to deposit, and instead of like writing down on the screen, they will put the cash inside the machine. Okay, after the machine takes the cash, it will get the value inside deposit. And then what happens? The new balance has been generated. New balance has been generated with the help of current amount plus deposit amount, and a new balance has been returned. It will be outputted on the screen, but at the same time, it will be stored inside the memory. The same thing happens in an ATM. No big logic inside ATM. This is the logic behind ATM. The same way this is there for your withdraw. So inside the withdraw function, this is what happens. So Akshay, are you getting the answers, or like are you getting the drop? So what is that you are getting? Okay, so withdraw, inside withdraw, you are having what we say again, the current amount. You are entering the amount how much you want to withdraw, and if at all you actually just go ahead and see that your withdrawal amount is greater than your current amount, it will say that array your balance is low. Okay, and it will say that ki bhaiya itna hi balance hai or return niklo. Return means exit the function. Else if the withdrawal amount is like what is it, less than the current amount, you will start what we say that you can actually generate a new balance, and this new balance will be outputted on the screen. At the same time, it will be returned to the thing. Then you have a driver code. This driver code is nothing rocket science. This is very simple thing. This is like it is being used for driving down your particular what we say that option menu. You have 8 or 9 or 10 options, right? We only have your two options, that is deposit amount or either withdraw amount. Okay, so first is deposit and second one is withdraw. You can select the option and you just have to pass your current amount inside it. Okay, so the current amount can be passed with the help of a global variable. So whatever changes will happen with this, it will directly getting reflected back or getting stored inside our global variable. So that's what is happening. So whenever, even right now, if I call this, if I just select the second withdraw, enter the amount you want to withdraw. I say I want to withdraw 60,000. So it will say that balance is low. And if I just call my current balance, it is 35K. Now, I can just take the second option and I can say I want to deposit only 5,000. So it will say that your current balances after withdrawal is 30,000. You can make it even more fancy. I will share the link of this notebook to Shoaib so that he can share it with you all, guys. Let me share it on the community itself. Okay, so let me share it in the community. Okay, so change. Okay, and what we will do is we'll continue the class for tomorrow, guys. I mean today's class will stop here, and tomorrow we will again continue back from here. So I'm just going to community.letsupgrade.in because it's already near about 9:30. I don't want to take you much of the time. Go to your group in the My Python section. Inside my group's Python. Oh, I opened a different thing. So inside this, I'm just pasting this. Okay, collab link. Day 6, collab link. Okay, tomorrow we will be completing 3 projects. We can do it certainly in one day, and tomorrow will be your last day. And in your exam, you will only have 15 questions. And just every one of you who is here, give your exam for sure. Exam is going to happen on this what we say some Friday or Saturday or Sunday. We will 3 days it will be happening. It will not be one day examination. It will be open for 3 days, and it is just going to be a 15 questions this time, no more than that. We don't want to test you something. We want every one of you who is participating in this thing get a certificate, but at least to test a basic of it. So that's why this whole thing is there. So just implement this thing and put it on your GitHub, guys. That's what my request is. So yeah, so that's what it is for today. Okay, and tomorrow we will continue with the class.
Yes, sir. Lost connection, guys.
So everyone, please mark your attendance. It is a mandatory thing. Please do that. Please mark your attendances. And yeah,
And we'll
visit
be
the
meeting. One, one,
yeah.
one. Go on.
Yeah, and visit the community website for your all the summaries and also the all the code which sir will provide to us. That all will be shared on the community. So do visit it and get a brief summary of how things work. Thirdly, I wanted to say visit our website. It has full stack courses and all the courses you can visit them and you can see them which ones would you prefer. And I think it's all based. You will find everything there. So do visit our website and choose your advanced courses. Yeah. Sure. Want to add on something?
Sir, we'll be connected tomorrow with Kaiser. And we'll be completing 3 projects tomorrow. Make sure to mark your attendance, and we'll be seeing you tomorrow. Thank you. Yes, Neha, you can just write your own code and upload it to your GitHub. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye
Thank
Oh,
you.
bye.
Kaiser is here.
अरे बाय बाय ठीक है बाय बाय बोलने आ गया अरे आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड टू वन ऑफ माय like ISP provider it is down now I'm sorry okay so bye bye guys take care and we will be now meeting tomorrow and tomorrow we'll complete 3 projects I'm sorry आज बहुत ज्यादा टाइम ले लिया मैं functions के अंदर but still I mean we'll be completing it tomorrow okay so bye bye take care have a nice day good night and sure just update we have a meeting okay